Good evening, Central Oregon. A happy Saturday to you. We've had a little bit of everything for our weather today. Rainy conditions, cloudy, breezy, and check out this picture from Bob Pauley, who sent this to us from his house in Southeast Bend. Some what he called pea-sized hail falling on the ground. So not as extreme as the hail that we were looking at last week. Some of you sent us pictures of what looked like baseball-sized hail in your hand. So not that extreme, but still pretty cool, pretty special and unique to see some hail here in early June. Here's what it looks like over the last 3 hours on our satellite and radar. You can see Central Oregon not the only area of the state getting hit by a lot of these rain showers. A ton of showers seen throughout the state of Oregon. Really, the heaviest parts are in the northwest parts of the state throughout the Portland, Salem area, also down south in between Eugene and Medford, getting hit pretty hard as the system and those westerly winds are going to be pushing it toward Central Oregon throughout the rest of the night and into tomorrow as well. Putting our future track into motion, when we hit the 11 o'clock hour, we actually have some chances to see snow here in Central Oregon, really at the higher elevations. That would be the Cascades and possibly even La Pine. So if you see some snow in South Deschutes County, don't be alarmed, but it's only going to accumulate about less than a half an inch if snow does end up falling. Moving forward here, we're going to stop the clock at 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. You can see the spots of blue, which would indicate chances of snow are still there. Very minimal chances of snow, but they are there. But once we hit the 11 o'clock hour Sunday morning, that snow chance goes away, and more chances for rain come into the region. Spots of green all over the map here. Our chances for rain in the earlier parts of the day on Sunday are greater than the latter parts of the day, like in the evening. Start out with between a 40 to a 60 or 70% chance to see rain in the morning. Dwindles down to about a 20 to 30% chance to see rain Sunday night, and then Monday early at midnight, you can see those spots for rain are almost nearly gone. Partly cloudy skies when some of you might be going to sleep at 12 a.m. and then waking up tomorrow, or on Monday, I should say. Partly cloudy skies are going to be with us then, and then throughout the day, those partly cloudy skies are going to be increasing to mostly cloudy ones, and then after that 6 o'clock hour is when we might see some more rain here in Central Oregon, about a 20 to a 30% chance to see showers Monday night. Winds right now fairly strong, 18 miles an hour in Prineville. We saw Prineville at 23 miles an hour earlier today, 15 in Redmond, 15 in Madras as well. Winds should stay fairly strong tonight. We could see some westerly gusts up around 25, 26 miles an hour later on. Current temperatures in the 50s and 40s, 52 in Redmond, 52 in Prineville as it stands right now. Recording this at 6:38 p.m. on your Saturday. 47 in Sisters, 47 in Bend. And then when we hit our forecast lows tonight, we will be scattered in the 30s, which puts us a few degrees below our seasonal average. And also combine that with the breezy conditions we are seeing here in Central Oregon later on tonight, it's going to feel a little bit cooler than that as well. Cooler conditions tomorrow, too, when we're waking up, when we hit our forecast highs. 56 degrees in Redmond, 55 in Prineville, 52 in Bend. And then here's how the rest of your week is going to look. Jumping up from 56 degrees on Sunday all the way up to 80 on Wednesday with some chances for rain scattered in between there. And then after that, a little bit of a cool down is in store, looking at possibly some rain and thunderstorms on Thursday and Friday of this upcoming week.